Now, let's take a look at the letter sa. Sa. As you can see here, sa is represented in its printed formats: independent, initial, medial, and final. And now we'll look at how to handwrite the letter sa. Sa in its independent format. We're going to start right here on the line and draw an oval loop going all the way to the right. So we can start right here and draw an oval loop. Come down till you touch the line right here. And now when you stop right here, I want you to do a backwards U, a big U that goes under the line. So once we stop here, we go up a little bit and do a backwards U. Sa. One more time. Start right here, and we're going to do an oval loop. Go up, down, touch the line, come back, and a backwards U that goes under the line a little bit. Sa. Sa in its initial position. All we need to do is the oval loop without the backwards U. So we're going to start right here, go up, come down till we touch the line, and we need the tooth and a line. Don't forget the tooth and the line. So a loop, tooth, and a line. One more time. I'm going to start right here on the line, oval loop, come back to the line, tooth, and a line. Sa. Sa in its medial position. The same thing. The only exception is we're going to connect it to a preceding letter. So, a line, oval loop, tooth, line. Line, oval loop, tooth, and line. One more time. I'm going to start right here on the line. A line, oval loop, tooth, and a line. Sa. Sa in its final position. The same as sa in its independent position, except that it's connected to a preceding letter. So, a line, and then oval loop, and a backwards U. One more time. Line, oval loop, and a backwards U. Sa. Now, let's take a look at the letter sa and how it's written in a couple of words. The first word is sarsur. Sarsur. The first sound is sa. So a loop, oval loop, tooth, line. Sar. And then we need ra. Sar. Sur. Another sa. Start right on the line. Oval loop, tooth, and a line. Sar. Sur. We need u. Sar. Sur. And a final ra. Sar. Sur. Which means cockroach. The next word is the word takhsis. Takhsis. The first sound is ta. So we do a tooth, line, two dots. Takh. Need kha. Dot on the top. Takhsis. Sa. Loop, tooth, line. Takhsis. Need ya. Two dots. Takhsis. And a final sa. Oval loop, backwards U. Takhsis. The last word is boss, boss. The first sound is B, one dot under. Boss, we need Aleph. Boss, and the last sound is Sa. Right on the line, oval loop, backwards U. Boss.